Hi everyone, Wilson with Premiere here again. Here's another quick video to show another panel that we just completed on this Ferrari 812. We just completed this full rear quarter panel right here, one piece front to back. Normally you would see a seam right around this area right here. We were able to do this without that seam, and it just makes it look a lot better when there's dirt collection. You normally get a dark line, but in this case, because there's no seam, it will look a lot better. So let me give some close-ups just to show the details for this one. So as you can see on the close-up shots, one thing that sets our installations apart is the ability to do one-piece installations and minimize seams, and at the same time minimize the amount of adhesive distortions that normally comes with a difficult panel of installation. So that's it for now, and we'll continue to update this project as we go along.